Coach, Aksul is ready for Paris. Yes? Gold medal.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. So many cameras on Aksul. Yes. Run through. Also, Saudi Arabia is also training here. The Saudi Arabian team. And also the Team Jordan for Greco-Roman. Have to be careful and watch out. Getting thrown everywhere. Woo! So many phones. Look at all the phones. Everybody, all eyes on Aksul. Camera here. Camera here. Camera here. Was a camera here. I have the camera. George Ram. Be on the call for the Asian Championships. Move down this way. Two-time reigning world champion, Zalman Sharshenbekov, right here. Take you around the room. Everybody. Woo! As I mentioned, Saudi Arabia in the house. Go all the way around. The big boys on this side of the room. Getting ready. It's a massive room. 2, 4, 6, 8 mats. We're here in Bishkek. Hey, brother, how are you? Got youth level athletes on this side of the gym. And then age group kids over here. We circle back this way. This is what you want to see. Right here. Tokyo Olympic silver medalist, 2-time world champion. Now they start to pick up the pace. Давай, давай, давай. Woo!
Almost 2000, yeah?
Ah, yeah. Hello from Australia. Ah, Kamran Ghazimpur. Fellow two-time world champion right there. Joining the IG Live. How about it? Kamran, let's join. I don't know if it's a true account though. So many. Coach, hello from Kyrgyzstan.
Welcome to.
Everything good?
Good.
You? Yeah. In Kyrgyz, it's okay.
Little English.
Bek Sultan right there. Have to make sure we watch where we're going with all this. Non-stop.
Давайте, 3 минути за вас.
Welcome to Pakistan.
You ready for Paris? You ready for Paris? Olympics.
Yes,
Only gold.
gold, only gold.
Taking a quick break.
3 минут, чойну алабыз, анан кийин отработка баштайбыз. Давайте. Молунжак, бизге келендире турбайлы. Hadi.
Take a quick break.